Today I will be showing you how to assign and execute tests in Zephyr.
The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the Test Cycles tab on the top menu. From here, we'll find our test cycle and select it. Then click Edit. We can assign tests by navigating to the Test Cases tab and choosing which test we want to assign. From here, I'll click the drop-down button next to the test case I want to assign and select the person I want to assign it to. I am also able to assign multiple test cases in bulk by selecting the tests. We can assign testers, environments, as well as release versions and iterations. Another way to assign a test execution is through the test player. We can navigate there using this button up top and assign a tester, an iteration, an environment, or a release version as we did previously.
Now let's move to test execution.
The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the Test Cycles tab on the top menu. We'll find our test cycle and then just simply click on it. From here, we can quickly execute our test cases manually by using the status dropdown. You can choose between default fields of not executed, in progress, pass, fail, or blocked, or even add your own custom statuses in the Zephyr configuration section. We'll change this to in progress for now. If you scroll down, you can even execute your individual test steps. In our test script section, we can simply change the status of each test step by just clicking on the check mark or the X mark. Zephyr's test execution feature lets you quickly set all test steps below a certain one to a single status. Just note that the first non-passing value within the test steps determines the overall test case status. Now you have successfully learned how to execute your test steps and overall test case, as well as quick executing your entire test cases.
If you want to learn more about Zephyr, check out the full walkthrough video or try it for free with the link in the description.